Title function. Title function. The title method is nicely capitalized the first characters of the words. Let's see how. First, go to brackets and create a variable called name and assign it with any name. Give as example. Make sure the string names are small characters. Then create another variable called last name and assign it by string Jackson. After that, print the variables my name plus last name. So right now, put the title method with its parentheses after my name and last name. Then save the file and try it on terminal. Alright, as you can see here, we got a space problem. We just have to put a space after Jeff or before Jackson. Pretty cool, it works right now. As we can see here, the first letter of Jeff, which is J, became capital. And the same thing with Jackson, J became capital. Anyways, thanks for watching.